Okay, shout out to J&J Improvements for letting them fucking stupid motherfuckers down there fucking throw shit at my whip again. Yep, here we go. Now, originally I thought it was on the side, but it took me until the end of the night after my fucking work shift to get all the way fucking back down here just to find the rest of the shit that they threw at my truck. And it happened on Tuesday fucking night of September 2025. Fucking dirty ass motherfuckers. Yeah, shit. What's that right there? What is that right there? What's that? The fuck is that, motherfuckers? What's that? All up on the back of my fucking whip, eh? They think that they're gonna get away with it? Huh? Is that what everyone thinks? Every stupid ass motherfucker down here think that? Do you think that? You see what happens, huh? When niggas start learning, huh? They know whose street it is. That's why it's quiet right now. They know they're not bigger than me. That's why it's quiet right now. They know they ain't as real as me. That's why it's quiet right now. They know I got all the fucking proof. Fuck every motherfucker down here. Guess what, motherfuckers? You started it.